Hi, I'm Mark Tisdale, and this is my son Noah and my daughter Lainey, and my wife is filming. So I ordered something that I've always wanted for my Subaru since 2009. Big shout out to Chris Bauer at Panda Motorworks. He's been sponsoring our rally program for years with the Contra Brothers. Shout out to Anthony and John. And so let's just get to it. It's called working out.
Yes.
It's pretty heavy. All right. So the UPS guy even looked like he was struggling. He made a little noise when he decided to put it in here. A little hilarious. All right. No screaming, mister.
No, it was just the car. The car said, "Whoa!"
Oh yeah, dude, I've always wanted this. So this is awesome.
Yeah. I think it's the 6900. Exhaust. Look at wow.
All right, there's some people who don't like the Cobb exhaust. They think it's a little quiet. I like that it's a little quieter, just because the little kiddos run around here. So, are you ready? You look like you're ready too.
I think I'm ready too.
All right, well, it looks like it opens up this way. It looks like we're good to go. Hey, Lainey, you want to come over here?
Yeah, I'll come over here.
You come over here? Over this way?
I'll come over here, and I'm gonna
If you come, you give me your hand this way, and we walk on over here. There you go. No, don't be upset. Look, we're right here. Look at that. That's a nice box. I like how that comes undone. All right, so. Okay, so this is kind of nice. I like the way they got this shipped out. It's got...
I like for the fall.
It's packaged well. It's got foam on either end, which is nice for getting banged around in UPS land and FedEx land and all that. We got a little pocket knife, but this is kind of useless right now because this is all stapled. So we're just going to put this in our pocket. Tape looks like it'll come off rather easy. It's not really on there hard. See? Don't even need the knife. And then it looks like we got staples. We'll just pop staples. Here's the muffler. Oh man, this is awesome. Man, they got it. They got it ready for war. That's awesome.
Back of me.
We got the mid-pipe section.
What did you put in the back of me?
Over here.
What?
This is where the pocket knife comes in hand that I was given earlier that I, kind of shunned away.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Because it would help to hold it in the right direction. Okay, so something I didn't know about the Cobb exhaust is I thought this was shipping damage. Actually, this is, we think it's there for clearance. Everyone I've seen that I looked up online real quick kind of has the same deal going. So I was going to just say if it sits up like this, we'll just bolt it on and send it, but I guess it's there for a reason, so we're going to go with it. Full 3-inch, this is the mid-pipe. We're getting ready to undo the cool section, the muffler. The part you'll actually get to see. Huge shout out again to Chris from Panda Motorworks. I texted him as soon as I seen the dent in there just to verify is this damage, and while I was waiting for his response, actually he answered the phone right away and said, if it's damaged, we'll get it replaced right out to you. And I looked at another one just for reference because, like I said, if this was gonna point up, I was just gonna bolt it in. And when we seen one fully put together on the ground, it actually had the same dent in it. So it's gotta be for clearance. That's, you know, mistake. I don't think it should have a dent in it. Let's get out. Oh, I never even knew that the Cobb exhaust. You can see it through here already. It has like a like their name on it. That's kind of neat. I get like hacking at this tape. They take the crap out of it. Ooh, a little sketchy there. Ooh, there it is.
Okay.
Oh yeah? Alright, here it is. Moment of truth. So this is the bottom, I guess, because actually the top is supposed to have insignia on the top. So that's how it sits in the car. 3 hangers here, 2 bolts, single hanger there. This is awesome.
Whoa. This one looks cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really dark.
It's gonna sound awesome. I cannot wait.
I even have a black exhaust.
This thing's probably gonna sleep with me tonight. That's what I'm thinking.
Hey Daddy.
What's up?
I have a black exhaust,
Oh, squeaky.
but now it's
Dude, make a car noise in there.
what?
Make a car noise in there. See if it muffles you. No, you gotta get right up on it. I don't hear anything. Do it again. I thought it was going to be less of a slash tip. It is kind of a slash tip, which typically I'm not a fan of, but this one really isn't drastic. And since it's like double wall, it's really nice. So I like it. I like it a lot. So I've always wanted this exhaust. And now I have it. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you. Hannah Motor Works and Donald Trump. You know.
I have an exhaust. I can hear it.